Right, I know a few have been doubting how I've been installing this lead, so let's take a look. As you can see, this harness from the car side is disconnected. I have my remote control steering wire put into there, which I believe you can see. There you go. Blue and yellow wire going into key 1. Then, of course, it is patch wire time. Put in this box first. That was the right side. And before Mr. Wavy Fingerman from Connects II says anything, I shall put in that side. Again, nothing's connected up, so I can't see how this can make any difference. Now I am putting in this connection. And finally, putting in these connections. That one there, and that one there. Put the car to number 1. It's not turning on. No, in fact, let's bring that up. Put the car to number 2. You can't really, oh, you can see the key. Yep, dash is lit up. Still nothing happening here. If you can see something I'm doing wrong here, let me know, but to my knowledge, I have installed this to the letter of how Connects II say you should install this through their rather vague instruction set. Well, some on YouTube, some in paper form. Right, okie dokie, that's all. Cheers, folks.